I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and that like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, baby, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic and
Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Joy and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, honey, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for the constant support. It is a Sunday today. I'm not in the best mood, to be honest. I know I have a smile on my face but I decided, you know what, let me clean up my room. I also took out my sheets. I want them nice and clean for when I get in bed tonight. And I also did the bathroom. The only thing that I'm left with is my washing. I think I'll do that tomorrow. It's already late. The sun is going down. So there's no point of me honestly doing the washing right now. But I'll do that tomorrow morning. I have to organize my daughter's stuff because she's going to dad's house. So that's what I need to do. And I also need to get my stuff ready because I'm going back to work on Tuesday. So yeah, your girl has been feeling like Nyagoa. I might be sad now, but I know I'm gonna be okay. So yeah, and to make things even worse, I'm catching a flu. So is again, and I can never like I'm celebrating on Tuesday, give it 100%, but I'm not. Oh yeah, and also my family's here, so I'm actually cooking downstairs. So yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling with them for the rest of the day. But I wanted to open up this vlog, say hello. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I hope you guys are good. Hi guys, hi. I hope you guys have been good. It's literally a few weeks later. Literally. I hope you guys are still good. It is a Friday today. It's a Friday evening. I think it's after 10. I just took a shower. I just did my bed. And when I tell you guys, I'm about to be so warm. Like guys, I can't wait to get in bed. It's like dilakane. Oh, I'm very excited. Amo is at her daddy's house. I'm excited for her, honey. So mommy's gonna have a kid-free weekend. Mommy and I are going to go downstairs. We're gonna go watch Youngings. We've been so obsessed with the show. I love it, love it, love it. Chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. Okay, but principal, when I catch you, it's on site. Like principal one stress, guys. Principal one stress. Oh my goodness. We're gonna binge watch that. I'm gonna make some chamomile tea and chill. We're probably gonna sleep midnight, which is fine. Tomorrow I'm going to my class. I've been going to class at church because I'm only baptizing Amo now. I'm only baptizing my child now, guys, and she's 5 years old. Like, don't judge me. The fact that I'm doing it is what matters. In 2 weeks' time, actually, she'll be baptized. So I'm excited about that. I feel so grown. I feel so responsible. Even though I did it after 5 years. I mean, what took me so long? I'm so annoyed, you guys. Like, I don't know if you can see this. Like, I don't know what happened here. Something in the laundry basket dyed the other clothes. And it's just a mess. Like, but I'm glad her at least a daily pyjama and not things that we wear like outside. Because I was going to freak out. But I don't know what happened. I think when took in more eliminated and I was not aware. So it dyed some of my clothes.
Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned you down in the whole bit. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Could've found you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was fighting so hard, so where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need I gave you attention when nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game, everybody.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day. We are so late for church. Mara, it is Sunday. We are heading to church, so I'll talk to you guys probably later on. Happy Sunday. Hi guys, it is a Friday. Today is a Friday afternoon. I'm about to make some soup. We bought some beans. We went to Checkers. Mabunya kuno guys. So like the papad. We got some beans. 2 of the beans. And then we got some soup. Brown onion, and then also the beef one, this one. Yeah, that's all we got. So I'm gonna make some soup. I have to rinse these. I have to take out the bad ones, and then I'm gonna try to use the pressure cooker. We're gonna use it together. I've used it once. It's a stampo and it was a disaster. I'll try with the beans because I think it's like +3, so it's pretty late to start cooking soup, but we're gonna make it work. The pressure cooker. I'm gonna show you let's say boss baby. I'm gonna set up a TV, like she picks whatever she wants to watch, so you can imagine what we're going through. You can imagine what we're going through in the house. It's a bit crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna wash these and then we're gonna use the pressure cooker together. We'll figure it out.
What? I wrote this song like 5 months ago. Finally get to use it. I don't know that test. What? I just saved this company.
That much. I hope that's not too much.
Just listen. This is why we built that relationship. This is right. She loves you. She loves you. I don't want to be loved in the way that you will sit here with someone that talks about me. Ready? I received your apology, but this is what I'm saying. As a mother,
Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to a new day. It is a Saturday today, and I am honestly craving Savannah. I just woke up, and I just want to drink Savannah. I don't know. I think my emotions are all over the place. Tomorrow is my dad's birthday, and I generally don't know how to feel. So I think it's part of the reason why I just want to drink so early in the morning. I think it's literally just after 9. So I'm already going to the bottle store. But I haven't been drinking much. So I honestly don't feel bad. I haven't been drinking that much, to be honest. So we are going to the bottle store.
World, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad.
I got my baby. I got my baby. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. Like, I've honestly been dragging this vlog. I need to close it up today. It is a Saturday today, and I have a couple of things that I need to do today. Just a couple of errands, nothing much. It's just after 11. I want to make some soup again. I'm craving that soup, so I'm going to be doing it again today. So yeah, let's enjoy this day. You guys, yeah, my soup is cooking up a storm. I'm actually cooking the beans first, so I thought I should come in here, make it my little project to clean this room up. It's such a mess. I'm so embarrassed, like, to show you guys. Like, it's such a mess. Shame. Like, look at this. And then I tried to put the chairs nicely the last time. And then we have this side. I don't know what's going on. I want to, the dog, I didn't know things, so I want to ask him to like help me switch this thing on. And then we have a little bit of dirt there at the back. We took these ones out so that he can help me throw them out. And then I have that portion over here. This is because of this. It's a disaster, but like, one thing at a time. I'm gonna clean this up. Hopefully these things have gas, but I think they do. So I'm gonna try to transform this.
Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself.
I'm so annoyed. This thing, someone cut it off. So, well, I can't use this. I'm gonna have to buy a new thing. I was so excited for this. I wanted to chill in here tonight, but it's not gonna be possible. But this is the progress. There's still a little bit of garbage there. This is the progress. It looks cute. It looks cute. I wanted to chill with her in here. I wanted to bring my TV, you know, and just chill in here. It's very nice. It's clean, but I can still like chill, listen to music. But now have to cover the blanket for now, but we'll see. You guys, I made my soup. I'm literally on my second cup. I'm literally on my second cup of the soup. It's so good. My mom taught me how to make it. It's really hot.
The Ivy showroom is one of my best friends' shop. I'm her attorney. We have a side business together. We wanted to do.